Hello guys, it's John Messenger. Today I'm going to be unboxing another Beyblade. This is going to be Death Solomon. This is the final Sparking release. So, yeah. A bit dented up, unfortunately, on the bottom, but, I mean, one doesn't, the USPS dent boxes. Anyway, going to go ahead and get this open. While I do, I just want to say this is, based on what I've seen, maybe my mind will be changed when I open it, but this is probably my second favorite looking Bey. That's probably a hot take. I know some people don't like this release, but I'm a fan personally, so yeah. Okay, so we don't have a rare chassis, that's fine, I don't really care too much. Not many stickers, but I don't use stickers regardless, so it doesn't matter. Anyway, let's go ahead and zoom in a bit. Sorry if you hear my cat in the background. Anyway. I guess we'll start with the, I don't know, driver, I guess? Okay. So here it is. This is, Metal Fusion. Yep, and that is extremely hard to push in. See, it's a metal cap. Very bad, but, you know, it's, whatever. I'm gonna weigh things as we go here. It's not even visible, unfortunately. Okay. Yeah, it's not even... Hold on 1 second. Alright, unfortunately my scale just doesn't work in this lighting, so I'll have to read it out, unfortunately, but yeah. So, the Fusion driver, Metal Fusion, 7.66 grams. Again, I do apologize for that. I'd like to actually have it showing, but not much I could do there. 2 balance chassis. I don't know why they chose this of all chassis, because the Death Ring can't do this. It just locks. I don't understand that, but whatever, it's fine. It still looks cool, though. And then we get to... actually, let me weigh the 2 balance real quick. That's 46.64 grams, okay. And then here is the rest of the layer. Go ahead and take that apart, show everything individually. Okay, there's the Death Ring. Looks pretty nice. It's not good, but it looks good. There's the chip core. And of course the Solomon chip. Top part's red, bottom, like orb thing, it's purple. Alright, the Death Ring weighs 9.86 grams. The chip core on its own is 0.71, and the Solomon chip on its own is 5.19. Alright. So yeah. Anyway, so I have a couple things to compare here. I'm going to try one more time to see if I can get this to show up at all. That's like barely. I'll just put it there for the sake of having it there, but yeah. Alright, so I'm getting a metal chip core to weigh this. So the chip and chip core that you get in this have a combined weight of 5.94. Okay. But if you get a metal chip core with this thing, that goes up to 6.61. Okay. And then, just for the sake of comparison, we have Lucifer 2. And that's going to weigh 6.23, so yeah, it is heavier than Lucifer 2. Again, sorry, you probably couldn't even see that, but anyway. So I'm going to put this thing together real quick. And that's going to be that. Not really much to this. But yeah, I think it's still a nice release, though, because you at least get the Solomon chip in a booster, which I think is really cool. So yeah, that's always nice. But aside from that, it's not that interesting of a release. And again, once you put the chassis on, it locks, and there's no way to unlock it unless if you take it off. And finally, the lock on this thing should be pretty strong. Yeah. Yeah, this is Death Solomon Metal Fusion 2 Balance. Yeah, this thing, it looks cool. Only Sparking that looks better, in my opinion, is Hollow Death Scyther, but yeah, probably one of the worst for parts. Just, I mean, it's not that interesting, but in appearance, one of the best, in my opinion, second best, so yeah. Well, that's all I got for this video, so thanks for watching, and bye-bye.